Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some way. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a new video, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you've got to keep up with your BFFs. So just go ahead and do that. Thanks. Okay, so for today's video I have a Dollar Tree makeup haul for you guys. So exciting. I haven't done one in a while because they haven't been getting a lot of stuff in at one point in time just because of COVID and all of that. So I have been getting like 1 or 2 items here and there, but recently I've been able to gather a couple of items that I can show you guys today that I think you might be interested in. So let's get to the video. Like I said, I have kind of been collecting a couple of things here over my past couple of trips, and also when I went to Columbus to visit my mom, what was that, last weekend, I also stopped in the one close to her house and got a couple of things. But first I'm going to start with these highlighters by Hard Candy. And I've been noticing, I've been seeing a lot of this brand in the Dollar Tree store. I know I've seen this brand at Walmart. I don't know if they have it in drugstores, but I know I always see it in Walmart. But this is like a more of like a golden highlight, and this one is more of like a pinky one, which I've used it once before and it kind of like it worked pretty decent, but I tried to use it today and I couldn't really get a lot of it on my brush. Like, I don't know, maybe I kind of like only used it once, so I don't know, maybe I wore it down some, I don't know, but that's what it looked like. And I thought since it kind of had that pinky look to it, it would go well with my eye look and stuff today, but it just didn't like work out for me, so we didn't do that one. But this one I haven't opened yet, but it looks like it's just like a nice gold color, and it's their jelly highlighter is what it's continuing on with eye stuff. This is the Beauty Pot by LA Colors, and I haven't used this yet, but it is very, very pretty. Let me get yeah, it is really, really pretty. Swatch it for you guys. Like, look at that. I think I might actually wear this as a highlighter than actually doing it on my eyes, because I just really love that golden look on it. I just have to remember to try it out, but definitely love this. I really, really love the colors. I'm a sucker for like warm palettes. Like, I have to really control myself because I'll have a bunch of them. So the next ones are really fun and I'm excited to try, and these are the Snap Scara, and they're in different colors. We have blue and this nice purple color here, and like this wine burgundy color they're calling black cherry. Really like these. I think these will be really fun to play around with when I don't feel like doing my makeup for real. I'm not putting on any lashes, just to add like a pop of color to my eye, you know. I don't know, I normally wouldn't buy anything like this, but it was at Dollar Tree and it was $1. Like, I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna show you guys is these 2 nail polishes. Now this is by the brand Flower, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this might be Drew Barrymore's makeup line. I remember seeing it in Walmart as well, but it's like a mint color and a nude color. And I actually bought these when I was in Columbus visiting my mom. But yeah, I always like a nude nail polish anyway, and I thought this one would be nice for spring whenever I want to do my nails and stuff. So got these. So this is also by Flower as well, and this is just like an eyeshadow pencil. So let me see, I haven't used this yet. Oh, okay. It's real creamy. Yeah, I think it's like an eyeshadow. It says Eyes on the Prize eyeshadow chubby. So this will be pretty for like a smoky eye or something like that. I'm gonna have to remember to try this. That is super creamy. It'll be a nice base, you know. Have to try that out. Before I get into the lippies, I also got this hand and nail gloves, which I actually need to use then whenever I take these nails off. But this is supposed to help soften your hands and stuff, which I need because my hands have always been rough. yeah, so I'm going to try this out and hopefully this works out because I will definitely be getting more. This is by like the Dollar Tree Spa brand. Like I always see this brand in there, you know. So I have the LA Colors lip stain, which I have not tried either of these on yet, but this is what they are looking like. And I will do a quick swatch for you guys so you can kind of see, and so I can see too, because I haven't even opened these. I just took it out the packaging, so I don't even. It's coming out like that word. Oh, this is like a highlighter. See how pink that is? I don't know if the camera's really picking it up. Okay. I don't know how that's gonna look on the lips, but I guess I'll find out sooner. This one is again by Hard Candy, and it's just a lipstick, which I haven't even tried it yet, so my first time seeing it with you guys. And it's kind of like a hot pink color, and it's kind of sheer. It's this one right here. It's kind of sheer. Okay, it looks like it's decent. I can work with it, you know, if I want to add a little color to my lips. Not bad. Again, it was $1, so can't beat that. So my last lippies are by Wet n Wild, and these are the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. Now I do remember seeing these in the drugstore and at Walmart as well, so maybe these are colors that are now discontinued. I don't know, but this is what they look like, guys. These are the colors they had available. Okay. All right, so this is the purple color. This is gonna be really pretty. Yep. It kind of reminds me of a MAC lipstick I used to have, and I cannot think of the name of it right now, but it kind of reminds me of that. Hold on. Right there. You guys see it? Really pretty. It's the other color. And this is, ooh, okay, this is kind of like a mocha type of situation. Okay. Let's see. It is, and that's what it looks like. That is it for my little Dollar Tree makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check your local Dollar Tree to see if they have any of these items or anything better than that. I don't know, it depends on where you're at. You might get better stuff than what I can find here in Dothan. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all my social media links down below. Don't forget to shop my store, shopnayaveragemama.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.